Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. I'm just going to be showing you how you can delete your playlist from your YouTube channel quick and easy. All you have to do is log into your YouTube account. When you go to YouTube Studio, you're going to click on playlists. Once you get to playlists, you're going to click on edit, of course on the chosen playlist. So from here you can either make the playlist public, unlisted or private. You can change the title of any video in that playlist. You can add a description, and here you'll be able, when you see the three dots, once you click on the three dots, you'll be able to either go to playlist settings or delete playlist. Once you click on delete playlist, you will get a notification stating that the playlist is a permanent, deleting your playlist is a permanent action and cannot be undone. So make sure this is what you actually want to do before you press delete. And once you press delete, the playlist will be gone. Bye bye playlist. And there you have it. That is a step-by-step method on how to delete your playlist from YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me until the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and smash that notification bell so you can be notified when I release new content. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.